Rock, rock, rock. Back in 1987, at number 19, we have The Band with their self-titled album, The Band, that came out in 1969. And here it is. There's the album cover right there, The Band. Here's the back side of the album. Alright, now the songs on this album are Across the Great Divide, Rag Mama Rag, The Night They Drove Old Dixie Down, Up on Cripple Creek, Whispering Pines, Jemima Surrender, Rockin' Chair, Lookout Cleveland, Jawbone, and The Unfaithful Servant. The Band. Alright, and this album went from number 19 in 1987 to number 45 in 2003 to number 57 in 2020. And coming in at number 20 on the 1987 list, you have Prince's Dirty Mind album from 1980. Yes, back in 1987, this charted higher than Purple Rain. Dirty Mind. This was one of those albums that started Prince off, that got the biggest critical reception. Before controversy, before 1999, before Purple Rain, Prince always had a dirty mind. Had songs like Dirty Mind, When You Were Mine, Do It All Night, Got a Broken Heart Again, Uptown, Head, Sister, and Party Up. Here's the back cover. And then here's your inside cover. There's one side and then, oh look, cool. That's what Prince and the Revolution looked like back in 1980. Then that's something else. There we go. This album went from number 20 in 1987 to number 204 in 2003 to number 326 in 2020. And at number 21, we have the Velvet Underground and Nico. Alright, and coming in at number 21, we have the Velvet Underground with the Velvet Underground and Nico, their very first album, the Banana Peel album. There's the back side. Velvet Underground and Nico. Alright, this one had songs like Sunday Morning, I'm Waiting for the Man, Femme Fatale, Venus and Furs, Run, 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 All Tomorrow's Parties, Heroin, There She Goes Again, I'll Be Your Mirror, The Black Angel's Death Song, and European Sun. Alright, this one right here went from number 21 in 1987, went to 13 in the year 2000, and then in 2020 went to 23. So, still up there. Bananas. At number 22, we have The Who with Who's Next from 1971. And what's next? Who's next? Who's next? Right here. Here's the cover for Who's Next. Alright. Here's the back of the album. That's what that looked like. Alright, this one, Who's Next? Has songs like Baba O'Reilly, Bargain, Love Ain't For Keeping, My Wife, Song Is Over, Getting in Tune, Going Mobile, Behind Blue Eyes, got brown eyes, and Won't Get Fooled Again. Classic album right here. Okay, this one went from In 1987, Rolling Stone put it at number 22. In 2003, it got put down to 28. And as of 2020, it's sitting at number 77. Still top 100. Still one of my favorites. And buy it, you won't get fooled again. So who's next? Well, now I wonder what's next. What's next? Well, how about a trip to Waco, Texas? Okay, I brought Ben the picture because I couldn't bring Ben the person. And here's a place I know he'd like. It's supposed to be the Dr. Pepper Museum. Hey Ben, look where I'm at. The Dr. Pepper Museum in Waco, Texas. I know you'd appreciate this. As far as I know, you still love Dr. Pepper. Let's go check it out.
Look at me!
Okay.
Got a size for you. Try it. Lamig ng kain. Lamig itong taba. Lamig.
Okay. This is what you can see from Lover's Leap. Don't jump unless you're brave enough to take the Lover's Leap.